Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I am Mr. MK. Let's do this question together. The width of the room is 8 meters less than the length. Find the measurement of the room if the area is 48 meters squared. If the area is 48 meters squared. Remember, how do you get the area of a rectangle? Area of a rectangle is length times width. That is the formula for getting the area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is length times width. Now for this question, length is, the question says the width of the room is 8 meters less than the length. Let's assume the width be x. The width be x. If the width be x, the length will be x plus 8. X plus 8. For that case, let's substitute it with the formula. The area of a rectangle is length times width. That is, let's say, x into bracket x plus 8 is equals to, the area is 48 meters squared. 48 meters squared. Now open the bracket. X times x is x squared plus 8 times x is 8x is equals to 48 meters squared. 48 meters squared. Now from there, now you we have x squared plus 8x is equals to 48. Now you form a quadratic equation. You form a quadratic equation. X squared plus 8x minus 48 is equals to 0. After you have formed a quadratic equation, you insert with the formula now. Either you use sum and product. Sum and product. Sum is coefficient of x. The coefficient of x here is 8. Sum is 8. Now the product is, let's say here is A, here is B, here is C. The product is A times C. A times a constant. A here is, let's assume A is 1. 1 times negative 48 is negative 48. Now from there, you look for two factors. Two factors that when you add, you get 8, and when you multiply, you get negative 48. What are the two factors now? Let's look for the two factors. Let's say 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 is, I can get 8. And if I multiply 12 times negative 4, I still get negative 48. Now the two factors are 12 and negative 4. 12 and negative 4. From there now, just go and substitute it where you have said, you substitute it here. Let's substitute x squared plus 12x minus 4x minus 48 is equals to 0. Is equals to 0. Now from there, now you factorize by grouping. Let's say from here up to here is, these are group 1, and from here up to here is also another group 1, that is group 2. Let's factorize it now for that case. Here is, which one is common? X is common for that case. Now x squared divided by x is x, plus 12x divided by x is 12, minus here, which is common, 4 is common. Now 4x divided by 4, that is, I will remain with x. Here you need to be very keen. Negative multiplied by a negative will give you a positive. Now 48 divided by 4 is 12. Now that after, from there, now you take what is outside the bracket. What is outside the bracket here is x and negative 4. X and negative 4. Now you close the bracket. If this one and this one are the same, just pick one. You just pick one. You cancel one and you pick one. That is x plus 12. X plus 12. But the question says find the length of the room. Now let's say x minus 4 is equals to 0 and x plus 12 is equals to 0. Now Let's get the value for x now. Negative 4, if it cross to the other side, now the value for x will be 4. Positive 12, if it cross to the other side, it will be a negative. The value for x will be negative 12. Now always take a positive number. Now you ignore this, the one of negative, take the one of positive to get the length and the width also. To get the length and the width. To get the length and the width. The question says find the measurement of the rooms. The measurement of the room. Where we have it, x, let's say our value for x is 4. The length will be 4 plus 8, the length is 12, and the width is 4. The width is 4 and the length is 12. Let's say the length here we have x plus 8, and the value for x is 4. 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. Now the length is, for that case, the length is 12 centimeter. That is 4 plus this one, that is 12 meter. Let's say 12 meter. Now the width is 4 meter. 4 meter. Now let's confirm whether we are right, whether our question are correct. Let's confirm it. When I multiply how do you get the area of a rectangle? The area of a rectangle is length times width. Here the length we have 12, the width is 4. Now if I multiply 12 times 4, I will still get 48 meters squared. For that case now, the length is 12 meter, the length is 12 meter, and the width is 4 meter. That is our final answer. Now if it is your first time to watch this video, don't forget to share and subscribe, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.